So we are now into the business end of the NBA season, a.k.a. the playoffs. And while the fully loaded Brooklyn Nets are looking like the team to beat, conspicuously, a new generation of superstars are threatening the status of the old guard. Already, the LA Clippers with Kawhi Leonard and Paul George look to be heading home, courtesy of Luka Doncic and the Dallas Mavericks, while LeBron James and the Lakers are having to fight tooth and nail to hold off Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns, not to mention the surprise package of the postseason so far, Ja Morant and the Memphis Grizzlies. I want to tell you, with this wave of energetic and fearless talent now sweeping across the NBA, players like LeBron James and even Anthony Davis are looking like endangered species. And I said this already, and I will say it even louder again. If LeBron James and the Lakers support cast can pull off this one, if they can beat all of these loaded teams in the West, and then overcome the snipers that come out of the East and deliver this NBA title to the city of Los Angeles, just like the one against the 73-win Golden State Warriors in 2016 was worth about 3 rings. This one would be worth another 3 or maybe 4 rings. Yes. And when you can hate LeBron all you want, effectively, he would have now had about 10 or 11 rings. Yes. And guess what? The debate would have done. Yes. The debate would be done. The argument would be over. You understand me? Over.